Well, look at who I found at the bottom of all my cosmetology tools in the back of a closet. Clearly, she was being neglected. But I gave myself a little project and decided to give her a makeover. Stay tuned to see how I use design essentials to bring my doll back to life. So that's right, y'all. The very line that I have been loving lately, the Almond and Avocado line, literally brought my doll back to life. And before you think, you used that stuff on your mannequin? Yes, I did, because these dolls are made with human hair. So I knew if anything could save her, it would be this. What I am showing you here is that before you even apply your shampoo, you want to make sure your hair is fully saturated. Once you begin to apply the shampoo, start to detangle. Don't wait for the conditioner. Every step of the way should contribute to your end goal. And by that I mean, yes, you want to spread the shampoo and clean your hair, but don't be afraid to start separating those ends and detangle your hair while you're cleaning. Now keep in mind, this is obviously a mannequin and I'm obviously using my sink, but when you are at home rinsing the product, make sure to rinse the shampoo out thoroughly, but also guide the shampoo and the dirt and everything that came out down the shaft in a downward motion. I also want to make a note that you need to do at least 2 shampoos. The first shampoo will not suds as much as the second. The first shampoo loosens the dirt, and the second shampoo is where you really begin to clean. Okay, ladies, let's condition. So, starting at the ends, you are continuing with the downward motion of detangling and elongating your hair. This is only going to help you in the end. Little by little, work your way up until you're at the scalp. Once you have done the majority of detangling with your fingers, that is when I go for my comb. Section by section, using a wide tooth comb, continue to detangle your hair until the comb passes through nice and smooth. Here's a pro tip. I didn't do it in this video because it's a mannequin and she didn't need it. But if you are struggling to detangle with the wide tooth comb, feel free to add water. A combination of water and product during this process will help you detangle and maximize on moisture. This is the result that you are looking for while having the conditioner in your hair. It's almost mushy. Your hair should be detangled, soft, and ready to rinse. Now, I'm going to show you how to apply your styling product of choice after your hair is clean. Grab a water bottle and grab a product. Straight out of the shower on dripping wet hair, position your hair how you want it to be when it's dry. That means add any parting, center parts, or whatever you want. Her hair is so soft and detangled. I'm so happy I saved her. Anyway, section your hair in small sections again. With product in your hand, begin to rake your hair in a downward motion. The downward motion, once again, is crucial. Natural hair will shrink. So while it's wet and with product, you want to encourage it to be as long as possible. Question: how many of y'all are guilty of that move right there? We're not doing that. We are applying product the same way that we were applying the shampoo and conditioner, elongating your curls. Natural hair is going to shrink. Don't encourage the shrinkage by squishing your ends up. You want to apply product downward. We are encouraging length. Continue to apply the product throughout your hair in the position you want it to be when it's dry. I use a water bottle to thin out any areas that feel too clumpy or coated with product. And again, I am encouraging elongation by stroking the hair downward. Your strands and your curls should be coated evenly with water and product and capturing the curl that you got with conditioner. That's the goal here, to capture your curl. Again, this is a mannequin and I'm doing a very rough blow dry, but I encourage you to get a diffuser so that your curls can dry without direct heat and you will not disrupt the pretty curls that you just captured. Her hair feels so good. It smells amazing. And let's just take another look at where I started. This was not the move. I'm such a bad mannequin mom. Yes, mannequin makeover. Now she looks like she belongs to somebody. Well, I hope you learned something during this process of me bringing my doll back to life, and I hope it helped. See you next time.